Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want advanced email marketing and automations, ActiveCampaign is a great option. So, in today's video, I'll make sure to show you how to integrate Wix with ActiveCampaign in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go and log in to your Wix account. So we're gonna go look for wix.com, open the website, log in using your email address and password. As for now, we're gonna go to the apps or app market all the way, apps then app market, wait till it fully opens, then go and look for the Active Campaign app. So I'm just gonna look for Active Campaign integration here. So after installing it or adding it to your website, log in using your email or address or whatever, then add it or authorize the connection, then choose the contact list, select where Wix contacts will be added, connect the Wix forms, send contact and sign up forms, then set up your automation. Create workflows like welcome emails or even tagging. Then you should test the integration by submitting a small form, then check in the contact sync in. You can basically also use tags for behavior-based automation, test the automations before going live, and keep from fields consistent. So I always show you how to check the automations. We're going to go back to the setup menu. As you see here, we have automations all the way, automations here. So you can either create an automation or activate some automations that already exist. All you're going to do is tap on setup automation. And that's basically it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.